Kabor punya district ke East Khasi Hills haka sing sechan kalau penlong ya kajing pynkhie ba ya kiwa bat kisnong bamarjan ka Wahumkhrah bat Umshyrpi kum kajing pursang ban pen itnat bat wan rapat ka khoi ka suba hakini ki artli hiwa jong ka nong ba shlong kani kajing pynkhie ba ya kini hiwa ka deiru shibintana kajing pynkhie ya kajing wan jong ka International Water Conclave ka banlong haka khandai bat shphotorik rimpang hashlong hakani kajing pynkhie chnong lawan shibintana ki khot ka NCC ki dor ba shnong ba ya linti kini hiwa ki self help group jong ki longkmi pat ki tenat ki bidon benta kum ka water resources Shillong Municipal Board Forest and Environment PHE PHW bat ki wei ya kani ka jing pynkhie wa la penlong hakitan polo laumali jingking wa indo maupram bat ki jaka ba marjan
chalo very good
Gathered here today as part of the river rejuvenation of the river Wahumkhrah. We have started this exercise as in a follow-up to all the inspections that have been conducted for all the 7 stretches of the Wahumkhrah. This is an initiative that has been taken by the government, and we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the teams involved today. First and foremost to all the Rangbak Shnongs who are here with us from Laumali, from Waingdo, from Phutmuri, from Nonglom, Yoringhap, and all the other localities that have taken this initiative to also be part of this cleaning drive today. We also have with us teams from the NCC who have gathered here in a big number to help in this cleaning drive, and as well as team from the Municipal Board, from the Soil and Water Conservation Department, Water Resources, and most importantly from the District Administration. We'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude and also appeal to all the citizens of our state to come forward and be part of this initiative, this drive, wherein we can revive as well as clean up the important Wahumkhrah river.
Hakani ka sni rakhe ya International Water Conclave 2024 la penlong ru ki program ba pher ki bakan thup ya kajing ya kop drodor kajing ya kentip bat ki wei blawan shimenta da bunut ki khana ka bla penlong high school Jongka Government Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong.
We just want this enclave, the sole purpose is to discuss on the various environmental issues that are happening across the world, and that kind of on how to come forward and bring about kind of sharing of experience, and also a way forward in how do we kind of revive our world, make it green, and to retain water. As we all know, right now water is an issue, not only for our district. Now that we are implementing the JJM, we realize there's a lot of water shed areas. The water, the source are drying up. So there's a lot of work that we need to look into, and we need to kind of come together, one and all, the citizen, and work upon main goal, one goal, and that is to ensure that our nature is protected, the water sources are protected, that we assure that our generations that are coming after us, they will not be put in a situation because all of us did not take care right now. So therefore we call upon all citizens to kindly give your support to the state government, to the country as a whole, and we'll start with our own backyard, and we request all of you to kindly come forward and share your ideas, give your ideas. You're most welcome to share your ideas and send it to us by mail or in any form, and so that we can together we can work and ensure that we have a greener and safer place to live in for the future.